Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Allison Stone, Teacher Allison, and I'm here today to tell you and help you how to get set up to start your online classroom. When I started a year ago, I used things that I already had. I started with my laptop, which was amazing. The camera was built in. I bought a set of headphones. I think they were $16 on Amazon, and it worked. It was amazing. Everything I had, I didn't really have to purchase anything out of pocket. Things you can also use when you start teaching are an iPad. There are plenty of ways to use your iPad to teach students. You can even teach VIPKid on an iPad currently, so that's helpful too. Always a good backup if you have an old one laying around. Keep it just in case you have computer problems and you want to try something new. All right, headphones. Headphones are really important. These are new. I just bought these because they're more comfortable. I've been teaching about 8 classes at a time, and sometimes the little headphones put a lot of pressure on. These cover your ears, and they're amazing. Microphone built in. I purchased these on Amazon as well, and my guess is they were about $60. But after a year of teaching, I did upgrade a few of the important items. So if you want more information about any of the things I'm talking about today, leave comments and I'll leave links of where I purchased them. Mostly everything is from Amazon, especially this past 6 months since no stores near us were open and Amazon was shipping and everything came directly here. Another thing that you're going to need, if you start to work for VIPKid, which is where I'm currently doing primarily the bulk of my classes, you need some orange t-shirts. Perfect. I got these at Old Navy for $3. Again, really no money out of pocket. So if this is something you're interested in trying, give it a try. There's nothing to lose. I haven't purchased anything until year 1. When I was sure I was committed, I set up my own classroom in my own little space in my house. And then I started purchasing new things that would make things a little bit easier, a little bit more comfortable. The next thing you'll need are lights. Some people already have ring lights for selfies. That's exactly what you need. As I've gone through, I have tried the arm lights from Walmart with the 5 bulbs. As long as you have lights on either side of you, you will be well lit in your screen for your students. Currently, this year again, I upgraded to box lights. If you're interested in seeing what those are like, I can take pictures. I can put the links down in the comments. All right, and last of all, props. You're gonna need props when you're teaching. Start off with free props. Use your printer at home. If you don't have a printer at home, print to Staples, Kinko's, FedEx, office stores, somewhere where you can get cheap printers, things printed off. You'll find everything online that you need. For example, I started out with my kite and my swing set, and these I still use every day. I use them in 2 classes today. So you don't need to go fancy, but I am going to have a few more classes and videos online to show you the different types of props as you upgrade or things you might have around the house that you can use. So stay tuned. Thank you so much for visiting my channel. I am so happy to hear you're interested in online teaching. It's a game changer. You're going to love it. All right, everybody. See you soon. Goodbye.